Today I will show you how to get creative with your backgrounds. So now you've been working in Google Classroom and you want to get a creative background. This video will show you how to get a creative background for your virtual classroom. The first thing I want to do, as usual, is go ahead and open up a Google slide. Once I open up a Google slide, I definitely want to keep the blank presentation is what I'm starting with, and like always, I am going to delete my title and subtitle. So usually when we get a background, we go into Insert, and we go into Image, and we search the web. And I could type in wall and floor background. And these are the basic ones that you'll come up with, and a lot of times you'll see people using these. However, if you want a unique background, what you will do is go ahead to Google and do a Google search, and I'm going to type in unique wall and floor background. There it is right there. Once I type in unique wall and floor background, I want to go ahead and click image and look at all the backgrounds that you can choose. You can also go up here and you could choose wood or a white brick wall or empty room or gray, or you could get colors or whatever the case is. These are all the backgrounds that you can get. You can actually use this one, which will actually have a board already on there. But let's get into something a little bit more funky. Say you are using it for like a virtual field trip, because a lot of the field trips now will probably be canceled. I want to use this one right here. So when I click it, it's actually taking me to a shopping site where I can actually buy these. But I can still save this picture right here. Let me see what's below it. Or like a mall. And say I want to kind of use this to grasp the attention of my scholars for this virtual field trip that we're going to a museum. So what I would do here is right click and I will save the image. When I save the image, you could have a folder already ready, or in my case, I'm just going to keep it in the downloads. I'm not going to change the name because I know it's going to be the last one that I downloaded, and I'm just going to go hit save. I will go back to my presentation now, and I will follow the same steps. Insert image, but this time I want to upload it from my computer because I went and found one that was not available directly into the search. I'm going to use the top one and hit open. And if you notice, this background, I could stretch it, or, I could put it on the screen however I want it. But keep in mind that if you do it this way, once you start adding all of your other features, it is movable. Okay, so I'm going to delete that. What I want to do is I want to hit background here. Once I hit background, I am going to choose my image. But instead of going to Google's image search, I am going to upload it from my computer. So then I will hit browse. I will find the document, which is this first one. And it's going to upload. It is going to upload. And there you have it. If I was to move this or try to move it, it is embedded in the background. So then if you wanted to add your Bitmojis or whatever the case is, here is the Chrome extension in the top right hand corner. I will click that, and let's just say I want to be shocked when I come into this room. I could just drag it over. But then again, I don't want all of these words because it's already busy, a busy background. So I'm going to double click on it and I am going to drag. Luckily, this one fits perfect where I could crop it and it crops out perfect. Wonderful. So now I have this right here. And you could put whatever titles you want around it. But this is just a way to show you how you can get a customized background that's unique. So that way you don't have to use all of your standard backgrounds. Okay. Now, once you find out that you like different backgrounds, what you can do is you can actually create a folder to save all of them in. Say I pick this one right here. This is the one that's on the thumbnail. And again, this is from a shopping site. I am going to right click and I am going to save image as. But this time when I save it though, I actually want to save the document and maybe save it to, a new folder. So I'm going to type in new folder, and I am going to put backgrounds. Once I put backgrounds under my documents, I can open it, and on this one, what should I name this one? White texture. Uh-oh, I kind of messed up. No, I'm not trying to buy it. Let me go back, right click, save as. I think my thumb, oh, there it is. But it has a different name. I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay. Cancel. Let's go back to another one. I'm just going to show you how to set up a folder for different backgrounds, especially if you know that you would like to constantly use some of the same backgrounds, or you see one that you want to use, but you want to quickly save it. Say, I want this background. So once I have this background, I could do the same thing. Kind of looking at some other one. Yeah, I could do the same thing. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to save image as. You can leave it as a regular name. Make sure it's a JPEG though, or I forgot the other name, because if it doesn't save as those, when you try to upload it into the Google slide, it's not going to allow you to upload it. So here's my new slide. Again, let me get rid of this. I could have started with a blank presentation, but insert, nope, not insert, background, choose image. And now when I browse, I have this folder already set up, and I know the folder is called backgrounds right here. And here are the two that I want to use. So if I want to use that one, boom, there you have it. And then you could decorate the wall however you want it. So thank you all for tuning in to this video. I hope you all are making amazing classes, and I'll see you on the next one.